In this question, some reactants and corresponding products are given in list 1 and the reagents or conditions used for the reactions are given in list 2. We have to match the list 1 with list 2. If we are coming to the options, we could represent all these reactions as given here. That is, in the first reaction, the alkene molecule is undergoing ozonolysis reaction because this is reacting with ozone molecule in presence of zinc and water. So as a result of this ozonolysis reaction, they will produce two molecules of ketones. And the second reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Here, the benzene molecule react with some acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride to produce the alkylated product. And in third reaction, the reduction is taking place. That is, the hydroxyl group is converting into the keto group. The last reaction is oxidation. Here, the alkyl group is converting into the potassium salt of the carboxylic group. This is the method used to synthesize carboxylic acid. Now from these options we can see that option A is the correct answer.